So yeah, YouTube, that just happened. So there goes Heather on her beautiful new 2019 Ninja 650 in nice, beautiful black. And I may or may not have upgraded to the 2019 Kawasaki ZX-6R in black as well. Yeah, so we just picked these up from Hebler's, of course, our favorite dealer ever, who treats us well. And Heather, this is your first time on a brand new bike, right?
Right.
Right, 0 miles. Ooh. So obviously she's a little nervous, but it's okay. It's a new bike. We all understand it. We're learning the new bikes. We're testing them out. We're gonna go take them home. And I'll get back to you guys with a couple good shots of the bikes, and we'll do a couple walk-arounds and point out some cool stuff about them. Kind of like what I did in the last video for the 2018. And we'll go from there. So it's been a few weeks since we got our bikes. And I had to cancel our group ride. So we were going to display some new bikes for you guys at the group ride and show everybody our new toys. And yeah, it didn't happen, did it, Heather?
Nope.
So we've done some upgrades. We're out riding around. We're going to stop over here at this park that I've never been to and take a look at the park itself, show you guys the bikes. Probably go for a ride. I'm going to go over towards that side just because like it looks cooler. How's that sound?
Sounds good.
By that couple. Oh, by the cannon. I want the cannon in the background. This is cool, huh? I've never actually been here. You're on. Oh, this is neat. What is this, front park I think I saw?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. So there they are, YouTube. 2019 ZX-6R. And Heather's beautiful
2019 650.
It's a Ninja 650, but I give you 90% chance. Nah, you got it. So what we've done so far is just done rim tape on both of them, which we just did Heather's today. Hers is a purple reflective, and I just got the fluorescent, I was going to say highlighter, but fluorescent orange. Heather's got her shorty shifters in.
Mm-hmm.
And I took one off the 2018, and then found out that the clutch side won't work for me. So I ordered in the new ones. We'll get those on there. Heather's are a beautiful purple. You could do shots with your helmet too.
I did. I walked up to it and I was like,
Ooh, they're beautiful. Oh, show 'em your tank bed. Show 'em your tank bed.
a tank bed.
Ooh.
Flaming rose.
That was a Christmas gift, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
Oh, there we go. See. And then, she got the frame sliders from Kawasaki on there, which I like a lot better than like the Shoguns or the Yoshimuras. They actually look like they fit the bike because they got kind of that style to them. I'm going to walk over here. I'm going to look over here. And then we'll look back at the bikes and we'll call it a day. Or we'll go for a ride. I don't know. This is neat, though. So, okay, so this is the 190 south to the right, north to the left. And that's the Niagara River out there. And then Lake Erie. I always do this. I always have to think about which one. Erie is above the falls. Ontario's below it. I should know that. I've only lived in New York my whole life. This is neat. Oh, look at us. It's date night. Oh, wait, no, it's not. Oh, I'm sorry. I hit her, Senna. Oh. And we got the new showies.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. What else do we get that's new?
think that's it.
That's it. So, we're going to go ride
Yep.
for a bit, and then we'll come back with you guys with our first thoughts on these bikes when we get some more miles on them. Kind of like I did for my 2018. We'll do it with Heather's bike. We'll have her do a lot of talking. I'll script it out for you so you don't have to think.
Good.
Similar to what I did with the 2018, my thoughts so far, what our future mods are going to be for our bikes, what our plans are, which, will always change. Just like we weren't planning on me buying a 2019.
No, but we were planning on this.
Yeah, we were planning on it's just, I couldn't pass it up. It looks awesome, and it's the color I wanted. So until next time, guys, everyone ride safe. Make sure to go see Heather at HeatherMotoGirl on Instagram. After you guys see this video, she's going to start posting all these pictures on Instagram and Facebook with these bikes. Because she's in love with this bike, and she's like, can I post them yet? Of course I won't let her, because we haven't done the video yet. So now that it's done, check it out. So we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.